Hi friends, in this lesson you will see how to use extension methods. So it is very useful in C# coding. So we'll show you example code in C# how to use extension methods. So first of all I will tell you why you should use extension methods. Suppose we have an employee class and it has two fields, first name and last name. Okay, so in employee class, suppose we want full name. So what you have to do is you have to add one method inside this employee class. Okay, but suppose you don't have access to this class, it's in different DLL, different assembly. Okay, so for that extension methods are introduced. So suppose we have employee class and we want first name. So what you can do is you can create your own class, static class, that is employee extensions. Okay, in employee suppose you want to add extension method, you have to create class with static keyword. It is compulsory to use static class. In that you can have static method which is main extension method. Let's say get full name. Okay, in that method you are passing this employee variable name. Okay, so what this says, this keyword tells C# that it's an extension method for employee. Okay, so this means that you are adding one method for employee class. Okay, in employee class you will add one more method at runtime using extension methods. Okay, so in this method you are returning employee first name plus employee last name. Okay, so you will get full name of employee here. So we will just run through the code here. Okay, first we will create one employee class. We will start debugging. Okay, so we'll go through the code. Just remember that suppose we want any extra method, or we want to add any extra method of class which you don't have control, you can use extension methods. Okay, so now see, suppose we are creating an employee class. We are passing first name Dharmesh, last name Dharmesh. You can press F10, go to next line. Now here we are calling employee get full name method. So we will get full name like Dharmesh Shah. We will go inside this. Okay, see here we are calling get full name which is static method, and it is inside employee extension class which is also static. And here we are mentioned this employee. It means that this method will be added into employee class. Okay, so this keyword is very important. It is compulsory to use here. Now we are here doing checking whether it is null. If it is null, then we are passing empty string, else we are passing first name plus last name. Okay, see, so here we got Dharmesh Shah, and we are writing extension method on console. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood extension methods. Now in our next lesson we will learn delegate an event. So I hope you understand this extension method, use of extension methods. Thank you friends.